Today, the Highlands County Grand Jury indicted Zephen Xaver for 5 counts of first-degree murder for the killings of the 5 victims at the SunTrust Bank in Sebring on January 23, 2019. The defendant will be arraigned on these charges on February 25th. This indictment is an important early step in what will likely be a very long process in the criminal justice system. My prosecutors and I are committed to devoting all necessary resources to bring justice for the victims and their families. As time passes from the date of the murders, life for our community goes on. But for the families and friends of our victims, reality is just starting to sink in. Yesterday, I spent the day meeting with the families of the victims of this terrible tragedy. I ask that you keep these devastated families in your prayers. Although they will likely never recover from that terrible day, my hope is that with the support of our community, they can gather the strength to persevere through the next many difficult days, months, and years ahead. We all must do our part to help them. Since the senseless killings, our community has seen so many people come together to help these families. It is so important that this continues. Today, I filed a notice that I will be seeking the death penalty against Zephen Xaver. As state attorney, it is my duty to apply the facts of each case to the law that applies. In this case, after carefully analyzing the facts as I know them today and the law, I was left with the unquestionable conclusion that I must seek the death penalty against the defendant. It will be up to a judge and a jury to decide the punishment, but as this case moves forward, I will seek the ultimate punishment. So in conclusion, we will continue to work with our law enforcement partners at the Sebring Police Department, the Highlands County Sheriff's Office, the FDLE, and the FBI to build the best case possible for prosecution. As this case moves through the criminal justice system, please continue to support those who have been impacted by this tragedy. We are blessed to live in such a wonderful community.